Hey everyone, welcome back to the Business and Innovation Tracker podcast by PSFK's Broadmind. Car maker Stellantis has outlined a fresh multi-energy strategy, making their platforms flexible enough for combustion, hybrid, and fully electric vehicles. CFO Doug Osterman says they're keeping an eye on market share in North America and Europe, and looking to stay ahead of tough competition, especially from China. Innovations like Stellantis' Ram Charger with extended range tech and the launch of the Leap Motor brand are getting positive nods from analysts who like the balance between competitive edge and sustainability. Speaking of automotive innovation, General Motors and Nvidia are doubling down together on AI-powered advancements. Using Nvidia's Omniverse platform, GM is creating digital twins for factories, which basically means they can virtually test and optimize their production processes before moving to the real world, helping them speed things up and cut costs. Meanwhile, Nvidia's Drive AGX hardware will enhance GM's driver assistance and in-cabin safety experiences. Pretty cool, yeah? It's also helping Nvidia further expand deeper into automotive markets. Over in China, electric automaker NIO and battery giant CATL are teaming up to build what will become the world's largest battery swap network. Not only are they syncing up standards, but CATL is also putting quite a bit of cash, around $345 million, into NIO Powder. It's an interesting move, positioning NIO as a clear leader in battery swapping, which offers a speedy alternative to traditional EV charging. Let's talk snacks next. Mondelez is using artificial intelligence to speed up new product launches. Thanks to AI, they're launching products 5 times faster than traditional methods, over 70 new SKUs and counting. It's a smart tech meets human insight move that might boost their market share while fitting into bigger sustainability agendas like their Cocoa Life program. In tech, Google's AI overviews are now appearing in nearly 19 million keywords, doubling their presence in just 6 months. That's a big change for how people find and consume information, although reactions from publishers have been pretty mixed so far, especially since Google's data transparency on traffic impact has been kinda limited, and Adobe just keeps powering ahead in creative tech. Their Firefly app has already generated over 20 billion AI-driven assets, supported by more than 1,400 custom AI models they're now offering to enterprise customers. Adobe clearly thinks high-volume, high-quality AI creativity is the way forward, and they're betting big on mobile engagement and freemium business models too. Switching over quickly to retail, Sarah Crockett, CMO at DSW, talked recently about being careful with how they're evolving the store's brand identity, focusing on subtle but meaningful changes rather than radical overhauls. Crockett emphasized how those 500 DSW store locations are a major advantage in driving customer acquisition and brand visibility, especially with consumers who value convenience and accessibility. In footwear, Nike just unveiled an eye-catching lightning yellow version of its Zoom Vomero Roam sneakers. It's outdoor-inspired, rugged yet breathable, designed perfectly for today's Gorpcore trends that's blending trail style with urban comfort. Looks like Nike continues to tap smartly into the growing outdoors-inspired fashion segments. Youth-focused retailer Five Below isn't slowing down anytime soon either, with plans announced to launch another 150 new stores by 2025. While their competitor, Forever 21, looks to close down, Five Below are betting on digitally led growth, stronger tech infrastructure, and a curated assortment of products to win over young consumers. Finally, jewelry giant Signet maintained its leadership position, especially in bridal jewelry, despite a shifting retail environment. They're optimizing physical stores and management structures and holding strong liquidity, around $1.7 billion, giving them the flexibility they need to keep adapting as consumer preferences evolve. There you have it. Big moves, smart strategies, and innovations worth keeping on your radar. A reminder, if you like tracking news from specific major brands and retailers, sign up for a trial of Broadmind, PSFK's AI-fueled corporate tracker at www.broadmind.ai.